Check it out, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out another gel blaster. So it looks like they give you a little scope here. This is probably, looks like this could actually work as your housing for BBs as well because it's hollow. Maybe not, we'll check that out. You got your little hopper. You get a laser sight with, it looks like a light on it. Just pull this white pin to activate it. So there you go. So it's a blue light. Right here is how you turn that on and off. Safety goggles. You got some bullets in here. You got a charging cable. You got your hopper for filling a lot of blasters in there. Here's your battery. Looks like you get a little silencer. So guys, this is it, and that's actually really cool looking. I love that. So your battery compartment is under here, so you just pull this back, this little piece here, pop it up and put your battery inside there. You have your on and off right here, so you can turn that on for your trigger right there. Got your hopper up here. You can mount your scope or your light down here. You can mount stuff on top. Really cool, guys. So guys, make sure you check out the manual for the right BB size. We already got some made. This is your hopper. This goes on right here, and then we're gonna go ahead, you fill them up in here, and then you place it on your gun. So turn your gun upside down, slide it in here. Now we're good to go. Oh wow, this one's impressive. Wow, that is working flawless. If this keeps working flawless, this will be the first one I've ever reviewed. And what? It's hitting our garage without even any effort. What is going on? This thing is amazing. Check this out, guys. Okay, it's officially safe to say this one is the best one I have used ever. It's not jamming, so normally if it jams you have to like shake it like this and then keep shooting. So you shake it and you just keep. No guys, this one is working perfectly. So if you're wondering, if it hits you, it just kind of stings a little bit, but that's about it because it's filled with water. And great thing is they are biodegradable, so you know, over time they're just gone. So yeah, you can shoot far. I mean, we could hit the trees if we wanted to aim high enough. I mean, we're hitting almost those trees way out there. You guys probably can't see it. This is insane. This is definitely the best one I've ever reviewed. Check it out, guys. And that's it, just two more. Guys, this is almost flawless. Definitely the best one I've ever reviewed. It gets a Scott pass 1000%. Absolutely love it. So I'm not going to give away with all the other stuff. You guys can check that out. I love this. This is the best one.